Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Port Hastings, Nova Scotia, a gateway to the stunning Cape Breton Island and a place rich in history and natural beauty. As you drive through this charming area, you'll be greeted by breathtaking views and a sense of connection to the past. Port Hastings is strategically located at the eastern end of the Canso Causeway, which connects mainland Nova Scotia to Cape Breton Island. This causeway is a marvel of engineering and plays a crucial role in the region's transportation network, allowing for easy access to the island's many attractions. The town of Port Hastings itself is small but significant, serving as a vital link between the mainland and the island. Its location has made it an important hub for trade and travel over the years. As you pass through, you might notice the scenic views of the Strait of Canso, a narrow channel of water that separates Cape Breton Island from the mainland. The strait is known for its deep waters and is a key route for marine traffic. The area around Port Hastings is steeped in history, with roots that trace back to the early days of European settlement. The region was originally inhabited by the Mi'kmaq people who have lived in this area for thousands of years. European settlers arrived in the 18th century, and the town grew as a result of its strategic location. Today you can still feel the echoes of this history as you explore the area. Whether you're passing through on your way to Cape Breton Island or taking the time to explore the surrounding area, Port Hastings offers a glimpse into the rich history and natural beauty of Nova Scotia. watching.